Hi, everybody. It's Sarah Cray with day 3 of our 12 days of giveaway. I am so excited for this giveaway. I'm having the best time sharing these small businesses that I've come to know and love over years, or, some of them I found pretty recently, and one of them is today's, okay? This company is called Bella Classica, and they take books and rebind them with high quality watercolor paper. Okay.
Excellent.
This is Arches paper in here, which, as you guys know, is such good paper. Okay. But this is my journal that I got from them. My first one, as you can see, I've ordered quite a few since then. The winner will receive this one here, which is A Midsummer Night's Dream. And isn't it so beautiful?
It is so beautiful.
And I'm not going to lie to you guys. I picked this, I bought this from this company knowing that it was going to be for this giveaway. And it has taken so much self-restraint not to just commandeer this journal and give you guys something else. I literally look at it longingly, every day, oh, that's such a good journal. But then I'm like, no. Somebody else needs to have this journal in their life. And then I just want to show you mine. So this is the one I'm working on right now. You can paint front and back. So I don't know if you guys know this, but high quality 100% cotton watercolor paper, you can paint on the front and the back, okay? So I've been painting front and back on these. I love them. I just tape off the edges or leave them blank, and I use binder clips to hold them down. It is such a joy, and it makes me so happy. Anyways, I'm just thrilled that you guys, okay. And these are my other two that I've ordered that I haven't started yet because I want to finish this one. So I'm thrilled to get to those. So, okay. That's enough. Michael.
Yes.
Can we do a drum roll, please, for the winner of this fantastic handmade journal?
Today's winner is Cindy Watson.
Cindy, congratulations. Thank you so much for supporting us and for being here on this journey with us. I hope you love this journal so much. I truly, it's taking so much self-control not to buy every single one that they have in stock, honestly, because I just envision this bookshelf of all of these gorgeous old books, and you open them up and there's artwork inside. Are you kidding?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
So if you guys are interested in getting something special for you or someone you love, we're going to put Bella Classica's information in our YouTube caption so you can take a look at their website. They're fantastic. And actually, a really fun note is one of the owners of this company is a llama. She's been painting with Let's Make Art for a very long time. And so it's just makes my heart so happy. So anyways, Cindy, we will be emailing you to make sure we have your correct shipping information so we can get this fantastic journal out to you. And thank you so much for your support being here with us. And I'll see you guys back for day 4. Bye.
Bye.